RMAs, repair orders, receiving with serial numbers and lot numbers, and receiving with a QC step, right? So their customers will return units that need repair. And so we need some sort of RMA to say, yes, go ahead and return it, and we'll track that return. And then when it comes in, they need a way to record the serial number or the lot number that came in, and then go through a QC process in receiving. Then, of course, take it to the repair process. So if you could speak to that, then that'd be great.
Yeah, I added the help desk and I added repair. And so the help desk would be, a customer calls in and says, I've got a product, I need to send this back to you. So you can open a ticket and start to track that whole transaction within help desk.
This is what they would use for like return authorizations.
Yep.
RMAs and RAs. Okay.
Yeah, this is probably one of the best ways that I can do it without getting into having to buy like a third party true full RMA thing.
So would use this in conjunction with the repair module. So this would manage the communications and tracking of it all, and then the repair is the actual quotation process for it.
Yeah. Yep. So under, let's see here, where I need to go back to Teams. All right. So under the Teams, if you wanted to, you've got customer care, VIP support. You could always add a new one. That would be, RMA repair. But if I come in here, so now this is where you can start to customize it. You can add live chat. If you want a community forum, access to knowledge, but you can get your timesheets, billing. We can send it to repairs, set up refund, set up return. And we can even set up field services if somebody was going to go on site, but you guys don't. So you can also have a customer decide to close it themselves, and then we can close it after it hits whatever stage. It'll automatically close the help desk ticket. What you would do is you would go from help desk into repair. It would automatically create a repair. And then from there, I could add products, I can add labor, hours, everything like that, get it done, confirm the repair, send out if I need to send a quotation to the people, I can send a quotation to the people. And then as soon as it's done, it goes back, all the information flows back to the help desk to close that ticket.
Okay.
And when you're receiving it in, if you want to receive it under receipts, just so you can see it, I really choose. I blew something up. In receipts, you can have it received by serial number. So when it comes across the debt, you can use the barcode. You could actually scan the serial number on the product and put all that information into that repair ticket based on that lot and serial number right there. And then if you needed to, you could go look up the original sales order off that lot and serial number, because that is going to be tied to your original sales order via your packing ticket.
Okay.
Packing shipping ticket.
Okay. And so that's a good point that you brought up. So if I'm selling the product that's got a serial number, it goes out to the customer. When I receive it in, I'm doing a little QA on it to make sure that everything's good. And I could then track the serial number when it arrives. And can I add that then into this order before I then ship it out to the customer?
Yep. Yeah, because that serial number is going to get tied to the product upon receiving.
Yeah, good. Okay.
So that lot and serial number is going to be, or that serial number is going to be there all the time.
Good.
Okay. Or that lot, if it's a whole lot, the whole box of them.
Yeah.
That are the same. So all that's stored with the product, and then as soon as that product ships out, you're assigning the fact that you pulled that off the shelf. So when you're picking and packing, you would pick the product, scan it, that updates the pick ticket with your lot number or your serial number and tells the system that this serial number is out.
Yeah.
And it'll store it by product. It'll tell you, I've got 1,000 electronic main bus boards, but it's gonna only have one that is that serial number.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.